It's Accountech Bytes, your one-stop shop for everything accounting technology with me, Tom Herbert. Celebrating our 100th episode today, so thank you to everyone who's been along for the ride. Here's the next 100, and let's get straight into the news now. And first up, let's take a moment to bid a fond farewell to an accounting web favourite, Taxfiler. Yes, it's been a while, but the cloud tax and accounts production tool that once boasted more than 10,000 users here in the UK will now not be updated for the next tax year, with ultimate owners Iris withdrawing support from the 31st of March 2025. What's next? Quick update from ICAW Insights on the Making Tax Digital for Income Tax testing regime, and ahead of mandation in April 2026. HMRC has removed a couple of key eligibility restrictions from the testing programme, so taxpayers liable to the high income child benefit charge or those with income from jointly held property can now join in the testing for 2025-26. Some integration news now, fresh from their integration with Sage 50. Accounts receivable credit management platform Chaser has moved up the business ladder and announced a partnership with Sage 200, so allowing businesses to chase for late payments and eliminate manual credit management tasks. Next up, and payments platform Modular has announced an integration with accounting software suite Nomi, formerly Numisma. What does that mean? Well, I guess you can synchronize your payroll directly into Modular from Nomi. Next up, some acquisition news, and Scandinavian software giant Visma has acquired e-commerce accounting platform Link My Books. So Visma, obviously one of the biggest accounting software platforms in Europe, have a bit of a presence in the UK through Silverfin, but are expanding that reach rapidly here with Link My Books. Now, last week I featured news from the Daily Hodl. This week's new publication is ESG Today, which reports that climate solutions platform Ecology has acquired carbon management and reduction platform Xero Now. Onto payroll now, and HR and payroll system Cypher has announced a cloud-based payroll software, which it says in this press release is largely based on a version of the technology underpinning Shape Payroll, which Cypher acquired last year. Finally, for the news section, this caught my eye here. Go Cardless edges towards profitability on Fin Extra. So after cutting 17% of its global workforce, they're now reporting a net loss of 35 million as opposed to a 78 million loss posted in the prior year. It's a direction. And here's the fab plug, and in exactly 1 month, the Birmingham NEC will be flooded with accountants, bookkeepers and finance professionals. And one of the sessions here we have the evolving CFO tech stack. And this session, led by Dejan Greenaway-Delini, explores how CFOs can navigate an increasingly complex technology world while leveraging AI for key decision making. And earlier this week, I stopped by Dejan's podcast, where I joined her to talk about the impact AI was having on accounting now and where it might go in the future. So you can listen to that by searching for The Dejan Show on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you get your pods. And you can check out the full programme and get tickets for the Festival of Accounting and Bookkeeping at fab.uk. Remember, 12th and 13th of March, NEC in Birmingham. Let's move on to some new stuff now, and Xero has launched keyboard shortcuts for its new invoicing functionality. So this allows you to navigate tasks faster and more efficiently. And here's their guide on LinkedIn. Quick update from Dext's Chief Product and Technology Officer Stephen Edgington here, who proclaims that printing image-based receipts and invoice in Dext is now just a click away. No more downloading first. This from TechCrunch, and HR giant Workday has launched a platform for enterprises to manage all of their AI agents in one place, just as you might manage your employees. So as it says in this piece, Workday's agent system of record is meant to help customers keep track of their AI agents in one control center, regardless of whether that agent is managed by Workday or a third party. What a world we're living in. Back to Accountech Web now, and our very own Jake Smith has launched the first in our new series of Fab Hacks videos. These videos explore particular aspects of software and how they benefit accountants, and we start with the KBM Practice Suite. So do check that out via the link. This one from yours truly now, and when you're starting an accounting firm, choosing the right tech can be a minefield. So as part of my Accountech Essentials series, I put together a list of categories that you may wish to consider and asked a few people who've been on the journey themselves. And our very own Deputy Editor, Matt Ord, spoke with a trio of finance leaders about how the finance function can leverage emerging tech to boost efficiency. And finally, this made me laugh on Instagram. You are the angry yet you love. You're the greatest thing we've lost. At least he's using the app. That's it for today. As always, if you could like, follow or subscribe to these videos, it would be enormously helpful. It's half term next week, so I'll be away. I will return with an Accountech Bytes for you in 2 weeks. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.